Malta hija onorata li tilqa' dan l-istitut ġewwa pajjiżna fejn issa dal-aħħar 30 sena ilu joffri taħriġ speċjalizzat lill-avukati u persuni li huma diġà għandhom responsabbiltajiet anke f'pajjiżhom dwar il-liġi marittima.
Kienet esperjenza interessanti ħafna u li wieħed jista' jibbenefika ħafna minnha għal ġid tal-pajjiż tagħna.
Having this knowledge that I am acquiring here gives me the opportunity to help my country, to implement everything that I have learned, and most of all in a country like Malta, in which this is the speciality.
Because it gives you exposure to a whole new world practically. You get to meet people from all over the world. You get to learn so many things that you really did not know before.
Xi tajba ħaġa l-Ministru jagħmel follow-up u għandu wkoll cross connection mal-Institute irxa ferm tajba.
I really want to thank you for the space and the Minister for his time, because we know that it's very important, and to continue receiving us so that we can have this experience back home too.
Il-Gvern Malti jkompli jagħti l-appoġġ tiegħu lil dan l-istitut biex bekk inkomplu insaħħu il-vokazzjoni marittima ta' pajjiżna.